Whaatwaa family, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Whaatwaa, and today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make face masks out of socks. You can use old socks, you can use new socks, but if you use old socks, just make sure you wash them. Nobody likes to have old socks on their face, you know what I'm saying? So, right now I have these new socks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to do this real quick, man. We're going to get into it. Trying to make sure everybody stays safe, everybody stays, you know, quarantined and all that good stuff. But right now, I believe that there's a shortage on face masks. So why not learn how to make your own, you know? It's the best thing. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. First things first is, let's go ahead and get that flat now. See, these are new, so I'm just trying to get them flat. All right, so first things first is you want to measure the sock according to your face. Now, depending on your face, right? Depending on the you know what I'm saying, the size of your face, you're going to measure this. So make sure you measure this to the size of your face. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to cut here, right? And you're going to cut, now depending on your face, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's face is different. So for me, I'm going to cut here, because I want my face mask to cover my nose and I want it to go under my beard, under my chin. So I'm going to cut there. So let's go ahead and get into it. Make sure you have some sharp scissors. And remember, be careful when you have scissors, guys. Be careful. Now let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to make my first cut right here, like so. Put that right there, because you can also make another face mask with this top part, which I'll show you later. Hold on. Then, now that we got our top cut, now we're going to measure. Like I said, I'm probably going to have mine right here, because I want mine to go under my beard. So I'm going to cut right in the middle here. Remember, always stay safe when cutting. Oh yeah, this works so good when you have sharp scissors. Take that bottom piece, put that away. Now we have that piece like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to, right here. See, this is the part where your nose is going to come, right? So you want to cut here. So you take the scissors, you run that right there, like so. And you cut through that part. Yep, like so, because this is the part, this is the heel part. So you want that to be where your nose goes. And then what you're going to do is you're going to close it back, like so. And you're going to make sure that these parts right here are even, because this is where you're going to make the cuts to go over your ears, right? So you want to make sure that they're even. Once you make sure that they're even, like so, make sure this one is even, like so, then you are going to fold it in, like so. Mind you, make sure, keep everything even now. Try your best to keep it as even as you can. Okay? Now, the part that you're going to cut, is the part that goes in a U-turn, okay? This part. Hope you guys can see that. Is it showing on the, there we go. The part that goes in a U-turn like that, that's the part you're going to be cutting, okay guys? I don't know why I always do that. People do that with scissors. People do that with tongs. I guess that's how you get the scissors and the tongs started. So you're going to go ahead and make your cuts. Now, mind you, watch your fingers. Yeah. And you stop right there. Just so you can have a little wiggle space like that. Then you're going to open it up. Voila. Look at that. Look at that. You got the parts that go over your ears. You have the front part. And then this is how it looks in the front. Now mind you, you can use any sock, anyway. This is how it looks back on this side. And guys, let's see how this looks on our face. Haha! Look at that, guys. Perfect mask right there. Now let's go ahead and see if it works. Go ahead and test it out. Put it over my face like so. Make sure it gets over this earlobe. Then bring it across on this earlobe. Oh, guys, look at what we got. Oh, wait. Perfect. For the people like me that wear glasses, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta adjust it a little bit. Make sure it's good over your glasses and whatnot. But look at that, guys. A perfect face mask. And, oh my gosh, and I like it because, like I said, I wanted it to go over my beard. As you can see, it's under my beard, over my nose, comes back perfectly around my ears. On the other side, as you can see, perfectly over my ear, as you can see, perfectly over my ear. And we can do a test. No air coming through them. So guys, this is definitely perfect. Definitely perfect. So make sure you follow the directions perfectly and you guys will have a mask just like this. And I like this. Look how fashionable it looks. Yes, indeed. It's your boy, Mr. Whaatwaa, man. Get down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the video. Also, if you got a video you want me to make, get down in the comment section. Let me know. Also, if you have any other tips or tricks that you have for this quarantine, please get down in the comment section. Let us know. If you enjoyed the video, put a like on the video. And guys, I will see you tomorrow, inshallah. So please take care. Stay safe. Whaatwaa!